Need water heater repair in Largo, Florida? Look no further than ABC Plumbing, Air and Heat. We're your local experts, ready to diagnose and fix any water heater issue, ensuring hot water flows freely in your home again. Our experienced plumbers at ABC Plumbing, Air and Heat are skilled in servicing all types of water heaters, including storage, tankless, and hybrid models. No matter the age, make, or model, we've got you covered. Regular water heater maintenance is key to efficient operation. Our team performs annual services like sediment flushing, thermostat testing, and anode rod assessment to keep your unit running smoothly. When your water heater acts up, count on ABC for fast, reliable repair services. We can fix a wide range of issues, from damaged gas igniters to failed heating elements and leaky pressure relief valves. Is your water heater over a decade old or showing signs of failure? Our plumbing team can help you choose a cost-effective replacement that will operate efficiently for years to come. ABC Plumbing offers competitive pricing on new water heater installations. We not only supply high-quality equipment but also perform clean, professional installation work in your Largo home. Watch out for signs that you need water heater services, such as no hot water, long recovery times, murky water, or strange noises from the appliance. If you notice these issues, call us right away. Choose ABC Plumbing, Air and Heat for convenience, reliability, and stress-free service. We offer background check technicians, upfront pricing, and a worry-free guarantee. Our team works around your schedule, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily routine. We pride ourselves on completing jobs correctly the first time, every time. Don't let water heater problems disrupt your life. Contact ABC Plumbing, Air and Heat at 813-452-5952 for all your water heater needs in Largo, Florida. Remember, no matter the job, consider it done.